Hi, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Fern Marcus. I'm the founder of Regine Tweezers Switzerland, and I want to talk to you today about our waxing tweezer. They call this the waxing tweezer because it picks up all the hair that waxing misses. That is how precise this tweezer is. So with this tweezer, to use it, you actually do not tweeze from the tip. You tweeze along the side. So look at that tip alignment along the side of that tweezer. It is amazing. It is going to get any kind of hair from the root on the first try. So this tweezer is ideal for body work, so great for bikini line, your stomach, arm hair. Use your imagination anywhere on your body. This tweezer is amazing. So you kind of just sort of tweeze along the side. You don't use the tip. The tension is so perfect, and the tip alignment is so perfect. We do an etching on the interior of the tip, so the second this tweezer gets the hair, it gets it out deep from the root. This is also very popular with men. It's great for ingrowns. It's really easy to use. It's super ergonomic. It's a really weighty surgical grade stainless steel tweezer, and it's ideal also for chin hair. Again, you do not use the tip. You tweeze along the side. It's almost intuitive. You don't even need a mirror. It just gets that hair deep from the root. Great for lip hair. Such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful tweezer. And like all of our tweezers, all handmade in Switzerland, in the same factory where we make the tools for Rolex, Cartier, Patek Philippe. It is like a surgical implement. You can sanitize this with alcohol, antibacterial soap. It will be as good as new. Always keep the cap on your tweezer and you will have it for a lifetime. And for any reason you are dissatisfied, you can always send it back to us. So happy tweezing, and thank you so much for joining me.